Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. We have a new brand for today in this unboxing, and this is quite unusual in a way that the brand itself is unusual because this is actually a tech brand that sent us a watch. But we're not reviewing any smartwatches, guys. This is still a mechanical watch, and actually, it's quite surprising even that it's a mechanical one. But it's a tech company that sent us a watch. And let's see how it looks like. Okay. And this is the Mudita Radiant. Okay, it kind of already feels like techy. Look at that. Let me just, oops, sorry. Let me fix my exposure here. I don't know that. Yeah, that's it. And they also sent us a few more stuff here. They sent us this watch strap, extra watch strap, and another watch strap. So as you can see, it's kind of like a more budget-friendly and eco-friendly Apple here. Very minimalist design. Many would say Bauhaus, but there's a difference between Bauhaus and minimalist, guys. Okay, Bauhaus is more on the practical side. Minimalist is really trying to remove any distractions from their stuff. Maybe let's do the strap first. I actually requested to have or to review two straps because it gives an opportunity to show the versatility of the watch. If I could actually remove this. This is the bane of my existence, guys. It's like all these tapes. I gave up. That's that's it. There you go. Okay. The packaging is quite thoughtful. Some Indian, I don't know, tally stuff there. Let's see. Okay, these are some instruction manuals, I guess. And that is the strap. And this is they call it the banana tech strap. And this is actually an eco-friendly strap made of banana material. And because you don't need many of the chemicals to produce these are a lot more sustainable, and they actually come from the Philippines, which many of you may know, where I came from, which is my origin country, which is nice to see our Filipino folks getting some exposure there. But I'm going to talk more about that strap later. Now, this is the actual watch, the Mudita Radiant. Right. Now, let's get this out of the way. Really, really simple. And still, like the box is really carefully thought out. There's so many stuff here. There's a manual upon manuals, and there's a reading cloth also. What is this? Okay, so it's just a package there. We'll get lost with that, but I don't think that you are here for the box. You are here for the watch. So let's set these stuff aside. And this is the Mudita Radiant. We chose the 37mm model because that will suit my wrist better. But they also come in a 40 and in a 32mm size. And you can see no logos on the dial. That's a bold move for a watch company to do. I know so, because logos are very important, especially for us who are beginning brands. We want our logos to be seen. This is quite light and quite slim. Pretty good dimensions there. And this has a Swiss caliber movement. It's a Sellita SW200, and it's 100-meter water resistant. Let me see. Where's the thickness? The thickness doesn't say here. We'll measure the thickness maybe a little bit later. Okay, it doesn't say there. But this is definitely very thin. Not extremely thin or extraordinarily thin, but it is thin. The strap is very stiff, so it may need some breaking in, even though it's actually fabric. But this is a very robust fabric. It's not. I can't quite put it. It's not like a NATO because it's quite soft compared to typical NATO straps that I wear, and also the sides are really secure. You don't feel any chafing or any fraying. This is actually really high quality strap, and as you can see, because of that finishing, um, it really removes many of what we know are embellishments on the watch. No polished facets. It's just brush here on the sides and a matte finish, kind of like a matte finish bezel there. And you see the watch itself is very minimalist, not Bauhaus, very minimalist in design. Let's see the loom. And the loom, you can see the loom there is all over those indexes. The indexes are quite legible, very legible. That's what they were championing in their website. It's a very legible dial. That's the whole point of having this watch. And actually, it extends to many of their products. They promote undistracted living, free of distractions, a little bit more focused, and a little bit more conscious on what is important to the human, to a human person. What is this? Is this oh, it's a screw-down crown? Ah, no, it's not a screw-down crown. Okay. Okay. No date as well. Let's wire it up. Now I'm feeling the wire up. Okay. That's 100-meter water resistant, even though it doesn't have a screw-down crown. This is a field watch. It has some semblance of crown guards there. And the back is also rather clean. Let's remove that sticker, make it even cleaner. Okay, very, very nice. This is a Swiss-made watch. I like the brushing there. So even when there is a focus and a minimalist design, they still get you with these radial brushes. I like that. And you can see there, it also uses a sapphire crystal. Now, many people might not like that it's rather plain, it's rather simple, but there's an innate appeal to that, and many people outside the watch community actually like that simple minimalist design. And if a company promotes such with the rest of their products, it has a place in their family of stuff. And they have alarm clocks. They even have a phone. I saw in their website a phone, and they have other products that all use that kind of mentality, which is simplified, very focused living. So what do you guys think? Are you going for such a simple design? Look, even though it's simple, they recognize there's a craft in there, because they did not skip down on the movement. This is a Swiss caliber movement, Salita Elevor movement, which is quite surprising. Especially it's decorated, but they did not show it at the back. So What do you guys think about this Mudita Radiant? Very simple watch. Actually has an appeal. It has a surprising character to it. But would you buy one of these, especially it coming with a Swiss caliber? Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And the more interesting comments will make it into the video review. Again, that's the Mudita Radiant. Actually, I like to play around with the strap, but we'll do that on the video review, I promise. Look at the strap. Banana Tech strap.